Welcome back to our channel, car enthusiasts, to a deep dive into the world of automotive history, where legendary battles between famous car brands have shaped the industry. In this comprehensive exploration, we'll dissect the iconic rivalries, uncover the fascinating stories, and delve into the intricacies of these legendary clashes. Get ready for a thrilling ride through the annals of automotive history. Ford versus Chevrolet, the American rivalry. Ford, the pioneer. Henry Ford, an automotive visionary, forever changed the transportation landscape with the introduction of the Model T in 1908. This mass-produced car was not just an automobile. It was a revolution on wheels. Henry Ford's innovative assembly line techniques made cars affordable for the masses, earning him the title of Father of the Automobile Industry. Chevrolet, the challenger. As the automotive industry flourished, Chevrolet emerged as Ford's fierce competitor. Founded by Louis Chevrolet and William C. Durant in 1911, Chevrolet aimed to challenge Ford's dominance. The Chevy versus Ford rivalry was born, captivating the American public. This rivalry fueled innovation, leading to iconic models such as the Chevrolet Corvette and the Ford Mustang, solidifying both brands' positions in automotive history. Legacy and innovation. Ford's legacy continued with the introduction of the Ford F-Series, which remains the best-selling truck in America to this day. Chevrolet, on the other hand, evolved its lineup with classics like the Chevrolet Camaro, symbolizing American muscle. Both Ford and Chevrolet have consistently pushed the boundaries of engineering and design, contributing to the enduring legacy of American automobiles. Ferrari versus Lamborghini, Italian supercar showdown. Ferrari, the prancing horse. Ferrari, founded by Enzo Ferrari in 1939, embodies the pinnacle of Italian luxury, speed, and elegance. Ferrari's passion for racing led to the creation of the Scuderia Ferrari racing team, and the prancing horse logo became synonymous with excellence. Models like the Ferrari 250 GTO and the F40 are revered as some of the greatest sports cars ever produced. Lamborghini, the bull. In stark contrast, Lamborghini, founded by Ferruccio Lamborghini in 1963, is known for audacious design and unbridled power. The rivalry between Ferrari and Lamborghini led to the development of legendary cars like the Lamborghini Miura, often considered the world's first supercar. Lamborghini's bold approach to design and performance has left an indelible mark on the automotive world. The quest for supremacy. The Ferrari versus Lamborghini rivalry is more than a battle of speed. It's a relentless quest for supremacy in engineering and design. These Italian giants continually push the limits of performance, creating cars that are the stuff of dreams for automotive enthusiasts worldwide. Toyota versus Honda. Toyota, the global giant. Toyota, founded in 1937, has earned its reputation as one of the world's largest automakers. Known for its reliability, durability, and pioneering hybrid technology with the Prius, Toyota has become a household name. The brand's commitment to efficiency and quality has made it a global automotive leader. Honda, the sporty challenger. In contrast, Honda, established in 1948, emerged as a spirited challenger. Honda's engineering prowess led to the creation of legendary models like the Civic Type R and the NSX. These sporty offerings showcased Honda's commitment to performance and driving enjoyment, reliability, and innovation. Both Toyota and Honda have consistently delivered vehicles known for their reliability, setting industry benchmarks for quality. This ongoing rivalry serves as a testament to their dedication to engineering excellence and innovation, with both companies pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the automotive world. Porsche versus BMW. Porsche, founded in 1931, is synonymous with sports car excellence. The iconic Porsche 911, Cayman, and Panamera are celebrated for their unparalleled performance and handling. Porsche's unwavering commitment to precision engineering has made it a driving enthusiast's dream. BMW, established in 1916, proudly claims the title of the ultimate driving machine. Models like the BMW M3 and M5 have set the gold standard for sports sedans, offering a harmonious blend of power and agility. BMW's focus on driving dynamics has earned it a devoted global following. German precision. The rivalry between Porsche and BMW goes beyond speed. It encapsulates the essence of precision engineering. Both brands strive to create driving experiences that thrill enthusiasts while maintaining the highest standards of quality and craftsmanship. In conclusion, we've embarked on a captivating journey through the legendary battles between some of the world's most famous car brands. These rivalries have ignited innovation, stirred passion, and left an indelible mark on the automotive landscape. As we reflect on the rich history and ongoing competition between these automotive giants, we gain a deeper appreciation for the art and engineering that define the world of cars. If you've enjoyed this in-depth exploration of automotive history, don't forget to like and subscribe for more thrilling content. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating ride, and until next time, may the road ahead be filled with legendary drives.